I dropped it. Hi guys, and welcome back to Cook with Oksana. And today we are making one of my absolute favorite dishes, tilapia. Did I just say my absolute favorite dishes? I said that about the spaghetti. I said that about the huevos rancheros. And I'll probably say it about the next thing that I make. But they're all my favorites. So am I lying? No. So this tilapia is so quick, so simple, so easy. The whole thing probably takes about 5 minutes, but it looks like you slaved over it, which is what we want. Deception! We're doing it. And it's nice because we're getting our carbs in, our proteins, and our veggies, which is what we love to do. I'm telling you, this dish is a people pleaser. It's me. And if you've never had tilapia, oh, you're in for a treat, because this is the only way to serve tilapia. Because tilapia is kind of bland, and we need to spice it up, like life. Spice up your life with tilapia. Ooh, that catchphrase is not a keeper, but I might keep it in. So make this at home, and you guys, I'm loving getting all the messages and DMs. Ooh, that sounds like a thirst trap. DMs of the food that you guys are sending me. Send me pictures because those are cool too. And with that, let's go. Here's what you need. 2 tilapia pieces, Trader Joe's organic brown rice, 2 limes, some peas, and some corn. For your spices, ground cumin, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, and garlic. Olive oil, sriracha, olive oil mayo. I recommend this one because it's a lot lighter than your regular mayonnaise, and it tastes the same. Some avocado, and last but not least, some Korean gochujang. It's optional, but highly recommended because it does make a difference to the overall taste of the dish. First, we are going to add all the spices to our tilapia. We'll start with your chili powder. Okay, this is not okay. Especially for chili powder, this should not be acceptable. And then your garlic, your ground cumin, your onion powder, your paprika. This is our most important ingredient in the seasonings, so it's the one that you're going to put the most of. So keep the other ones light and a little heavier on the paprika. Just do the exact same thing on the other side, even lighter. Add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. It's nice and warm, and we are going to add the tilapia. Top that for 3 minutes. Alright, next grab your brown rice. I know you might judge because it's frozen, but I'm not kidding you. This Trader Joe's organic brown rice is seriously so good. It takes 3 minutes, and we're going to be cooking the tilapia on each side for 3 minutes, so use it as a little halfway timer. Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes. You are just going to get that nice and flipped. The tilapia is almost finished. I drained the peas, and we are just going to kind of sprinkle half a can, I would say. Do your same thing with your corn. Are all ready to go, and let's piece it together. Grab your avocado. Next, we're going to be making our little sauces, which is my favorite part of this whole thing. We're going to be needing our mayonnaise, sriracha, the Korean paste. This is completely optional, but strongly recommended. It ties the whole thing together. They don't come in tubs this big. You could opt for a smaller tub, but I'm telling you, once you try this, you'll want the bigger tub. your sauces. And we're just going to sprinkle that on. You know, one day I'm going to get this sprinkle thing down. Then add your limes. It looks like a mess, but it's a delicious, delicious mess. My favorite part, eating it.
All right, let's see.
It's so good.
Wow, it's gone.
So make it at home, and again, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, keep updated, and thank you again for checking it out. I'll see you next time with Cook with Oksana. Bye!